Hello everyone, welcome back to Knit Crow Addict channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet an easy twisted headband. I hope you enjoy and let's get started. Okay, before we get started, I would like to talk about the materials that I'm gonna use for this project because they are very special. So this yarn I spun myself. This is my first time spinning yarn. This is the first ball that I have. It's not perfect, but I'm very proud of it. And I wanna crochet something out of the yarn that I spun myself. And I use this spinning tool for that. Okay, and then crochet hook, also very special as well because my husband made it for me. This is size 6mm hook. I love it. I think it's very cool. Thank you, honey. And you will need scissors, yarn needle, and measuring tape. And for this tutorial, you can use any hook you like, any yarn you like, and I will tell you exactly how you can adjust it to fit yourself or someone else that you're gonna make for. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first, make a slip knot. Use any method you prefer for making a slip knot. And then I'm gonna make a chain until I reach about 4.5 inches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know why I count. You don't have to count. So I'm just gonna make a chain until I have 4.5 inches. So I have the chain reach about 4.5 inches here. Sorry. Okay, so the chain that we start, it will be the length of the headband. If you want shorter, make less chain. And if you want taller headband, feel free to add more chain. And then the row that we make gonna be the circumference of the headband. And I will explain that later as well. So, row 1, I'm gonna make 1/2 double crochet into the second chain from the hook here. So I yarn over hook, insert the hook into the second chain from the hook, but I like to insert into the little bump on the back of the chain. You don't have to do that, totally up to you. And then I yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. That is my first half double crochet on row 1. And then I just gonna make 1/2 double crochet into each chain across. So yarn over hook, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. This is my second half double crochet. So I just gonna keep repeating that across. This pattern is very easy. I just use half double crochet for the whole headband pattern. Alright, I'll be back when I'm at the end of row 1. I'm at the end of row 1 here. Here's what it looks like. And then for row 2, we're gonna chain 1 and turn. And the chain 1 never count as a stitch. And then we're gonna make 1/2 double crochet into each stitch across. So yarn over hook, insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. And then half double crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, and half double crochet into the next stitch. Just keep repeating that across and I will be back one more time when I'm at the end of row 2. I'm at the end of row 2 here. Here's what it looks like. And then from now on, I just gonna keep repeating row 2 over and over until my headband reach about 19 inches long. So this part you can try it on. Make sure that you like how it's fit. Make sure it's comfortable. And then after that, you just cut the yarn and then I will show you how to sew the headband together. Very easy. So let me show you a few stitches on row 3 here. So, like I said, repeat row 2, we chain 1 and turn, and then make half double crochet into each stitch across. So half double crochet into the first stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, and half double crochet into the next stitch. Alright, I'm just gonna keep repeating row 2 until my headband reach about 19 inches long, and I will be back. Good luck! Okay, I'm back. So I have my headband reach about 19 inches long here. And if you want bigger headband, feel free to add more rows. Just repeat row 2. So for this headband, it can be a little bit stretchy as well, as you can see. So 19 inches is before the headband straight out, okay? And every yarn different, so that's why I recommend you try it on before you cut the yarn, alright? And if you're happy with how it's fit, you're gonna cut the yarn and leave a little bit tail, enough to sew both ends together. So I use my yarn needle to sew. And before we sew, we're gonna create the twists. So we're gonna bring the left side up like that, my left side, okay? I'm gonna show you one more time. So the left side, bring it up like that, okay? And then we're gonna bring both ends together like that. Alright, and then we're gonna sew the ends of the headband together. And I'm gonna use my yarn needle to sew. I'm gonna insert into the first stitch there, and then I'm gonna insert into the first stitch both ends one more time just to lock the yarn. Alright, and then I'm gonna move on into the next stitch and then into each stitch across. And you can use any method you prefer to sew, and you also can use slip stitch or single crochet to join the ends together as well, totally up to you. Here is what I'm gonna do all the way till the end. And now I reach the end, I just gonna hide the tail. Maybe tie a couple knots. I'm just gonna tie a knot right here. And then keep hiding my tail. And make sure it's secure, and then you're gonna trim the tail. And you're gonna hide that tail as well, okay? So I'm gonna go back and hide that tail later. And now I'm gonna turn the inside out. Here's what it looks like. I think it's very cute and very easy to make as well, right? That's it. I hope you enjoy making this twisted headband. If you did, please give this video a big thumb up and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.